here. So, do you know how to make air conditioner? Well, this is the right place or right channel to do. Well, have yourself an air conditioner. Cool, right? Cool. Let me just do the thing. Oh, please put your game into peaceful mode if you want to make an air conditioner. That is my note. Please. Okay. The clear. And time. Okay. First step. This is a really important step. Find a flat place to make an air conditioner. Here are the things you need: item frame, iron door, blue concrete, redstone, dust, lever, redstone repeater, dispenser. Oh, I forgot one thing. This is the most important thing. Any dangerous mob spawn egg. Okay. Well, it's not gonna be hard. I rate its hardness 2. Why 2? It's easy. First thing you need to do is make a wall. I don't care. You can install to your house. Okay. Make a hole in your wall. Take a dispenser. Put the dispenser in the hole. Now, take a blue concrete. Put under the. Just do this. I won't explain. Okay. On this side, make block right there, and make a 2x3 block. Not like that. 2x3 like this. After that, take a redstone dust, put it right there. Take another concrete or any block you want. And note, guys, please push the lever quickly, very quickly, or it won't work like this. So yeah, this is a note. There we go. Put any connectors right there, and you hear the clicking sound because it's peaceful mode. It won't spawn the zombie, so it's gonna be alright even you put anything right there. There we go. Can you hear anything? Can you hear anything? What will happen when we cover it? Oh man, it's cool. It's very, very cool. Oh gosh. So if you wanna put more designs, sneak and put a item frame right there. Now take a iron door, put in the iron frame. It should be vertical, so would make an air conditioner face. Take a lever, put it right there. Off, on, off, on. Yeah, off, on. You can do anything with it. You would be a billionaire. Nah, just overacted. So, this is my first video. If you subscribe now and like this video, and if it gets to 10 likes, I will produce and make this channel popular, so you can watch me anytime, anywhere, and any place that has Wi-Fi or data connection. Of course, you won't get any YouTube videos if you don't have data connection and Wi-Fi. Please comment below. I will reply if I am active. So just put in the comment section below what do you want I'm gonna make. Except robots, I don't know how to make a robot. So please subscribe to this other account to my friend, experience / gamer 999. I'm gonna repeat, experience / gamer 999 999. Yeah, 999. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like if it gets 10. This will be popular. Bye guys.